Namaste. I would like to mention another saying that empty mind is devil's workshop. We have been hearing this from childhood, and a lot of adults even believe it and accept it. That empty mind is devil's workshop. So when they have children, they try to keep them busy all the time, doing something outside, inside the house. And if they have nothing to do, parents tend to tell the kids that you are wasting your time, so go do something. Always do something, always be busy. If they have a little bit free time, they send to a coaching or a teacher or after school program. So this concept of keeping kids busy makes them better students or better persons. I would like to put a little bit of a question mark here, that in addition to being busy, of course, being busy doing something useful, something productive, even good playing is very useful, very much important, needed. Going to school, doing your homework, paying respect to the books and the teacher, all those are wonderful things. But equally important, and sometimes more important, is find time to relax and do nothing. Because when you are relaxed, you are not tired, you had a good night's sleep, and even during the day, you find some time to relax. Close your eyes, take soft and deep breath, and let the mind be empty. Because when the mind is a little bit more empty, rather than being full all the time, then in that empty mind, new knowledge descends, new knowledge is accommodated much more easily, because your mind has stretched, you have more space available where you can learn new things. If your mind is always busy and always doing or thinking or arguing or whatever you are doing, then where your mind is always full, then where is the space to acquire new knowledge, to ask more questions, to read something that interests you and at the same time relax you? Not the kind of books that gets you excited and it's a lot of spy stories and fight and war and all those conflict that some people find it very interesting. But read nice books, relax, at times do nothing, just concentrate on your breath, try a little meditation, and that opens up, expands your mind, and you become more capable of learning more and better. And when you come out of it more intelligent, more knowledgeable, then whatever you do is of a higher quality, including your normal academic schoolwork. So keep that in mind, little bit of caution. Empty mind is equally, if not more important than trying to be busy all the time. And don't convey this message, please, to the kids that they must always be busy, because if they are not busy, they will get into trouble. Thank you.